our second runner-up, Team Dennis, we have a little token for you guys. Please come in front. From MSD and JBP Videos and Photography. Small token from MSD para pwede pang pag-post na lang. Hindi na pang picture kayo. Small token from us. Congratulations to our Team Dennis, second runner-up. Thank you guys for joining our MSD One Day League. See you again on our next season. Be ready, Team Andrew and Team Raul. Who will be our next champion for our MSD One Day Basketball League Season 3. Be ready to our Team Raul and Team Andrew. Let's the game begin! Who will be our next champion for our MSD One Day Basketball League? Will it be the Team Andrew or Team Raul? Be at your best performance, guys. AJ versus Darwin. Raul. No good. Rebound by Darwin Chua. Raul. No good. Rebound by Lincoln Calbone. Pass to Darwin Chua. Darwin pass to Raul. No good. Kenneth Quinto. Pass to Benedict Ramirez. Benedict for 2. 5 points for the team Andrew. Raul pass to Darwin Chua. Who's foul? Sino po yung foul? Pakitaas yung kamay. Mas ma-identify ka po yung kung
Kaya nga sino yung 14?
first personal foul. Carlos Romel. One basket from Darwin Chua. Angel Ruiz to AJ. AJ pass to Kenneth Pinto. Angel Ruiz. Rebound by Romel Carlos. Benedict Ramirez. Linda Calbone. No good. Jeremiah Rambatura. No good. Kenneth Kindo. To Benedict Ramirez for 2. 7 points for the team Andrew. Lindo Calbone. Pass to Raul to Darwin. Darwin for 2 points. 6 points for the team Raul. AJ pass to Angel back to AJ. Steal by Karen. Karen to Raul.
Counted.
8 points for the team Raul. First personal foul, Angel Ruiz. Free throw from Raul Aliponos. No basket. Benedict pass to Angel. Angel. 3 points by Kenneth Kindo. 10 points for the team Andrew. Little Calbone. No good. Raul to Darwin. 2 points from Darwin. 10 points for the team Raul versus 10 points for the team Andrew. Benedict Ramirez pass to Kenneth Kindo. 3 points by Kenneth. 13 points for the team Andrew. Change 5. Romel Carlos for 2. 15 points for the team Andrew. Darwin Chua. Steal by Kenneth Kindo. Steal by Raul. To Darwin. No good. Rebound by Alan Castro to McCoy. Villarreal. 2 points by Alan Castro. 17 points for the team Andrew. J.R. Maramba. To Andrew. Right to Darwin. Kenneth Kindo pass to McCoy Villarreal. Back to Kenneth. For 3 points by Kenneth Kindo. 20 points for the team Andrew. Versus 11 points for team Raul. Karen pass to Darwin. To Karen. First personal foul, Darwin Chua. Angel Ruiz pass to McCoy. To Romel Carlos. J.R. Maramba pass to Raul. To Darwin Chua. No good. McCoy Villarreal, first personal foul. Free throw from Darwin Chua. No basket. No basket, rebound by Allen. Castro to Angel Ruiz to McCoy. Pass to Alan Castro. Rebound by Darwin Chua. Second personal foul, McCoy Villarreal. $53 seconds. One basket from Darwin. 12 points for the team Raul. No basket. Rebound by Alan Castro pass to Angel Ruiz. To AJ. Steal by Darwin Chua. J.R. Maramba to Raul. No good. Rebound by of Team Andrew with 20 points versus 12 points for Team Raul. Back to the ball game.
Ulan? Ulan? Yan, yan, yan!
Back to the
Diretso na yan. Kala mo na.
5 players, Team Andrew. 5 players, Team Raul. Benedict to Kenneth, back to Benedict. To Kenneth. No good. Rebound by Darby. For 2 points. 14 points, Team Raul. Angel steal by Raul. Outside ball. Benedict pass to McCoy. Back to Darwin Chua. Darwin pass to Karen. Rebound by Carlos Romel. No good. Rebound by Carlos. Second personal foul, Darwin Chua. No basket from Romel Carlos.
Ano?
24 points for the Team Andrew versus 14 points for the Team Raul. Darwin Chua pass to Raul Alimpolos. No good. Rebound by Carlos Romel to Kenneth Kindo. To Angel Ruiz to Benedict Ramirez. Back to Angel. McCoy to Kenneth. To Angel Ruiz. Rebound by J.R. Maramba to Karen. Karen to Raul. To Lindo. First personal foul, Angel Ruiz. Karen Daliva pass to Darwin Chua. No good. Darwin Chua. J.R. Maramba. To Karen. No good. First personal foul, Benedict Ramirez.
Offense ka tayo, offense. Second shot, Tiger. Shot up.
AJ?
AJ.
Ay, sorry.
No basket. Substitution. In AJ out McCoy. Romel Carlos pass to Kenneth Kindo. to AJ. No good. Rebound by JR Maramba. Pass to Jobert Fruto. To Darwin. For 2 points. 16 points for Team Raul versus 24 points Team Andrew. Rebound by Raul, pass to Darwin. Chavez. AJ pass to Kenneth Kindo. To Benedict Ramirez. Back to Kenneth. No good. Rebound by Darwin Chua. No good.
Kenneth Kindo ang foul ilan?
First personal foul, Kenneth Kindo. Rebound by AJ. For 2 points. 26 points, Team Andrew. Raul pass to Darwin, back to Raul Alimpolos. Pass to Lincoln Calbone, no good. Rebound by JR Maramba. To Fruto, to Darwin.
Warning for penalty.
McCoy Villarreal. Raul Alimpolos. Pass to Darwin. No good. Rebound by Maramba to Raul. For 3 points by Raul. 19 points for Team Raul versus 26 points for Team Andrew. AJ Kaadan, pass to McCoy Villarreal. To Kenneth Kindo, to Benedict Ramirez. No good. Darwin Chua. Rebound by Fruto. Rebound by Benedict Ramirez. To AJ. Rebound by Raul, pass to Darwin. To Jobert Fruto, back to Darwin Chua. Time out by the Team Raul. First personal foul, AJ Kaadan of Team Andrew. Official score, 26 points, Team Andrew versus 19 points, Team Raul.
25.
Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Five players. 26 points versus 19 in favor of Team Andrew. No basket from Darwin Chua. One basket from Darwin, 20 points for Team Raul. Carlos Romel, pass to Benedict Ramirez. To Angel Ruiz. To McCall. No good. Rebound by Benedict. Benedict Ramirez to McCoy Villarreal. Oh. Rebound by Romel Carlos, pass to AJ Cada. Rebound by Raul to Lincoln Carbone. 2 points for Lincoln. 22 points. Team Raul.
Rep, pag nag-miss tayo mo dito.
AJ pass to Angel. To McCoy. Rebound by Darwin Chua. No good. Rebound by AJ. Time out by the Team Andrew. Remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. 26 points for Team Andrew versus 22 points. Team Raul. No time out for Team Andrew and Team Raul. No more time out.
Yan, sama kayo, Ken. Yan.
Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 51 seconds. 26 points for Team Andrew versus 22 points for Team Raul. Who will be the next champion of MST One Day Basketball League Season 2? Alan Castro pass to AJ Caada. To Benedict Ramirez. Back to AJ.
Mabilis na kuya.
Andrew. Darwin Chua. Pass to Raul. No good. Rebound by Romel Carlos to Alan Castro to Benedict Ramirez. Pass to AJ. One minute and 14 seconds. Kenneth Kindle to AJ. No good. One minute and 5 seconds. Raul pass to Darwin Chua. No good. Rebound by Romel to AJ to Benedict. Third personal foul, Darwin Chua. AJ pass to Alan Castro. Steal by Karen. Steal by Benedict Ramirez. Congratulations to Team Andrew with 28 points. Congratulations to our team Raul with 22 points. Congratulations to Team Raul. You have a little token from MSDN JDP Videos and Photography. Thank you. Punta kayo sa gitna kayo, picture. Thank you. Lyndon. A little token. Darwin. Congratulations to our first runner-up, Team Raul. And now, congratulations to Team Andrew, our champion for MSD One Day League Season 3. Thank you, Team Benny. May pag-uwi. A little token. Congratulations, Team Andrew! We will announce our best in 3 points, assists, and rebounds, and critical 5 to our GCs. And we will Gcash the little token. And now, our MVP from Team Andrew, AJ Kaada. Congratulations! And another little token from MSD and JDP. And this is one of our mythical 5. Pilihan ng siomai gyoza at Loretta Kiki. Bawi ah!
That's the one that
Bawi niya yung ano niya, kota niya.
Again, congratulations, AJ Kaalan, our MVP of MSD One Day Basketball League Season 3. Again, congratulations, AJ. Our first time solo joiner of MSD One Day Basketball League. Na ano ba ang quota sa One Day Basketball League? Instead of giving a medal, naisip namin na cash prize na lang para makabawi. Congratulations again to Team Andrew, our champion for MSD One Day Basketball League Season 3. Again, we have an upcoming MSD Basketball League Season 4. Please come and join us. And for your volleyball and basketball court rental, you can message us or contact us through MSD and JBP Videos and Photography. Thank you. Hope to see you again in our next season. Again, thank you to Mr. Andrew Leggett and Ms. Desiree from Scotland for joining our MC One Day Basketball League.